Been raining in Kuwait like never before. We are not used to having rain fall like this. So 2022 is really a year of blessing. You can see the floor. Rain has been falling like since the morning. Normally if we see rain maybe once in a year, but since the ending of 2021, we've been having rain consistently, and it's been good. So we're enjoying this winter with rain this year, and it's a good thing. How you all doing? Hope you're enjoying your new year already. 2022, our year of blessings, our year of multiplications, our year of congratulations, entering into his rest. Yes, entering into